So,
stand one.
Stand one, and then I have to get out stand two. Okay, does it help?
Oh yeah, I'll help.
Yeah, but you can open these packages.
This is one of them.
Oh, that made a little noise.
You got to loosen it here.
It looks like a trophy, doesn't it? A little bit. I want the trophy.
Yeah, that's true.
Here you go, guys. Look.
It looks like a little man, doesn't it? These are the sides, isn't it? This is the sides.
Yeah.
These are the sides.
Yeah. You got to push that right down and then tighten this bit here.
Yeah, well, guys, this is the first time we done a green screen video, and the first time we built something in the video.
Look,
First time. So I hope you enjoy and stay tuned.
Feel these? They make you want to sweat.
No, they don't. Hey, what? I'll show you the views. So guys, this is one of the poles.
Yeah. And that's number one, this is number two, this is number three. Or you can do number eight down. I don't have any of them. Oh, I forgot. Don't do that or I might wipe somebody in the face. So yeah.
Put up now. Yeah, so this one's exactly the same. So you slack it here, look, from here. You unloose this. Unloosen this part.
Guys, this
Push
gets
down.
purple if you can see it. Right.
That's true.
But since you are viewers, you can't really see it purple because we're using a screen. And screens are not like eyes. So, yeah. Anyway, the green screen is going to look big for us, but not for you because it's like screens are not eyes. So, remember that.
It's an optical illusion. Optical illusion, guys. So what looks different on camera here might looks bigger here than it will on camera, or vice versa. Depends on where you're standing or how you're viewing the screen. Yeah, so we're basically just building right now. We're building the green screen stand. Yeah, chroma green screen. Also, obviously, as Caden and Renee said, you've got the white screen and the black screen. And the white screen is for photography, so you can do photographs, take pictures. The black screen, the same with the black, so you can have different backdrops. Yeah, depending on what types of videos you want or photography you're taking. Professional photographers, this is ideal for you. Yeah, music videos, change the background, so you can be like, for example, flying in the background, or yeah, change it to whatever you like, guys. That's it. Right, so guys, we're gonna put this stand on the other side, so we've got a space. Yeah, so we put stand, so we're gonna do.
I'm just gonna try and open these. So open up the white screen.
What are you gonna use first? You're gonna use the green screen first, isn't it? So leave those ones for now.
Then I'm gonna open the green screen.
You only need one screen at a time, so maybe just use green for now.
Yeah,
Right, so what have you got there?
Green screen from white.
To make the background change, yeah, green.
Okay, now the green one's open.
Just a backdrop. Alright, so this one's all
Now
tied.
opening the black one.
oh, guys, you've got to admit, these look like covers, don't they? Brand new covers. And pillows. It smells like... What is that called again? I forgot what it calls.
Let me smell
That's
and I
it.
might can guess it. No, I can't guess it.
What does it smell similar to?
Well, that doesn't matter, so yeah.
What does it smell similar to?
It smells similar to
Wash clothes?
no. It's like a
Smell?
shop. It's a shop.
Smell.
It's like when you go into a shop and you're buying furniture, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah, like new carpets.
No.
So, guys,
What it's called?
we have all of them.
Its name says 2. I swear.
So we have the white one. Yeah. Ooh. White one here. Black one there. And the blue one here.
Anyway, guys, if you want to get turns,
Give it a pause, please.
there we go. But we're going to pause you. So, see you in a minute.
What is pole? Yeah? So the middle bit, what's the middle part? Work out, see if you can work out which bit's the middle bit. What looks different to the other two?
no, these bits are for these squares. Look, for the...
They go across, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the top. They go across there. But how do they look? Which one's the middle bit out of those two? Which one looks different to the rest? Ah.
So,
okay,
guys,
so what
we
happens
nearly-
then?
we
Okay,
nearly-
then look what Renee's doing.
These are little clips. These look like little clips. You want to see them fully? Here you
They're
go.
called clamps.
Clumps. Clumps. Oh, yeah. Clips. Well, it's near clips, but it's
Dad, look what I
clumps.
have done.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
careful,
yeah.
Deborah, please. Yeah, Kayla, give your sister a hand, please. Watch carefully, be careful, because watch, that's going to get stuck. So, you've got to know where that goes in. Look, see this button? It's got to be in line. See the same line? So make
Is
sure
that
it's in line.
supposed to go on
That
top? Yeah, Mr.
Yeah,
Rose
well.
took the nose.
Watch carefully, so you got to squeeze in and push forward.
Are they supposed to be more stretched out? I think they're supposed to be more stretched
Squeeze your fingers, please, Renee.
We need
Not yet, not yet. We'll do it after. Mind your fingers, we'll do this first.
We need like a ladder or something.
No, watch. Guys, watch. Okay, then Renee, watch.
I feel like it's gonna
No, but
fall.
you're not looking. Look, this bit.
I'm looking.
That's what you want. And the second pair, look. There you go. Is that even in that place?
But I'm just showing the viewers what we're doing right now on the top.
Oh, okay. Alright, so basically that's how wide it is. Look how wide it is, guys. Look.
I think we need these.
We need to work out how to get this on the top now. Oh, okay, look, guys. You've got to screw this off the top. Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so basically what we're doing now, we're putting the top of the green screen
Yeah.
on one side, on one pole,
Yeah.
and we're going to link it to the other one.
It needs
It's a wide roll, doesn't it?
Just like
Yeah, it
curtains.
is like curtains, yes.
It needs to
Okay,
go
we
more
need
wide
somebody
roll.
else.
It needs to go more wide roll, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
the other side does, yeah. But we're going to spread it out in a set. We're going to move it.
That means we can't get out of the room, can't we?
You can, because I'll move it to the left slightly.
Oh,
Yeah, look, we can.
No, but we're going to move that to there. So, yeah, but we can move it to the left anyway, so yeah, we can get out.
But I need the top bit to be the same height.
Yeah, so guys, I'm just going somewhere right now, so yeah, hang on. I'll be back in a minute, okay?
Give it a pause, let's pause it. That's all you've got to do. That's it, and then we'll come back.
I'll be back in a minute.
So I said we're going to be back in a minute. We're going to quickly pause it. So, bye.
Right, guys, trying to organise some balance over here.
So guys,
Guys,
we're
don't try this at
back.
home.
Yeah, don't try this at home. Look what he's doing. Hold that
Guys,
side, hold that side.
don't try it at home.
He said, I don't have to.
Oh yeah.
Daddy said we don't have to.
Alright, so basically all I'm doing, guys, is getting some balance. Yeah, that's it. Nice and simple operation.
I bet you're laughing right now because my sister's been laughing this whole time when he started doing it.
Well, guys, if you haven't got a ladder, you've got to improvise. This is what you have to do.
He's just balancing.
But safely, guys, make sure you do these things safely, yeah?
Oh, yeah, you got it.
And we're good at cricket or rounders. Yeah, you've got to be able to catch something, catch it. Well, you have an accident, guys. It's very, very important. Right, almost done. I've got to string this bit up. Right, I need to do. Yeah, pause for a second, Stadium.
Okay.
Just got to get this thing higher. Oh, here it is. It's in there. That's fine.
Oh shoot.
Is it paused?
Yeah, I'm just gonna pause it in a sec. Let's do this first.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, please pause. Yeah, pause it for a sec, please.
Why? Oh, okay. I'll see you in a minute.
Peace. So guys, our dad is just making it.
We're finally making progress again.
It's nearly done. I might unwrap
But it's not nearly done because we got to put the green screen up. Remember?
Yeah.
We got to put the fabric on it.
Yes. I'm just opening up the.
That's actually quite big.
Yeah, it's big because look, this
Is
is
half that
big.
going to hold on to there?
It will work. Just wait a second.
But how do you hold it on to there?
Clip,
By this.
With that?
No, by this.
Oh, yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
look. And it has to
holds
clip onto
holds
them.
it, yeah, no.
Yeah, holds it.
Finally, we're making progress again. You can look at my dad if you want. There he is.